Okay. So to that one, we will come in later. Imagine we have you have code review, and you need to do code review to someone code, or you need to do refactoring. And this is each classes. I put it all classes into one file. Yeah, it's not possible to put several files. And you have for each file, you have this controller in under controller folder, service under service folder, payment under model folder. So you need to do refactoring to this code, or you need to do code review to this code. What kind of comments you will do, and how you improve this code? What your suggestion will be?
We have list of payments. Yeah, so first of all, I would start from maybe payment ID. It's not so necessary. We can just leave it as. Don't repeat our class name, but it's not mandatory, I would say. So
yeah, you can fix it, by the way. If you for the codes which you want, you can fix it as well.
Okay, so I would make it like int ID. Bool is processed. Okay. Then we have payment service. So here I have a question. Like let's say, as I can see, we're using dependency injection. Yeah, assume that it's our ASP.NET Core application. So every time when we pass it, yes, every time for new request we creating like new list. Yes. So is it correct? I mean, if we, yeah, let's say we sending post request, yes, but after that, if we will repeat, yes, I mean, just try to get by slash process, yes, we will process a thing. So I think like we will every time we will create a new list.
It's a challenge for you.
Okay. So it seems to me like if payments we should get from some storage. Let's say we have EF core, yeah, and it is connected to our PostgreSQL or MS SQL, doesn't matter. So can I like use it or no?
It's up to you. What you will do with this code, it's up to you. In the end, we will review your improvement.
Okay. So it seems to me like for current solution, we store our payments in memory, I would say. So we need like store our changes in external storage, for example, in our database. So let's assume we have some DB context. Yeah, and here we can let's create field DB context. Let's just make them read only. So we will initialize it in our constructor. So we don't need this. So let's say in our DB context, we have like our DB set, payments, and let's assume yes we already like configured them and all is good. Yes, we follow, I don't know, code first pattern or database, it doesn't matter. So and also we have like our process payments. So what does it mean process? We from our DB context dot payments selecting where. So usually when we talk about async method, we always should manipulate with cancellation token. It allows us to cancel it. Cancellation token, I would say. It allows us like to terminate some long running operation. Let's say, or our client sent some request yes, from one page, and he navigated to the another page, so he already doesn't need the previous resource. So in that way we can cancel our request. So I would use here async method. So it allows us to use async pattern. Here we have total amount. So here we just selecting by try catch, processing, await delay, simulate some. Okay, payment is processed, return amount. If we catch something, we just returning 0. We just returning 0. Is it like should I also change this business logic, or I should leave as it is?
So let's not change the business logic.
Okay. So here we have some async method. Okay. Sounds good, but in that case, if you have some trouble with processing, we just returning 0. We just return 0. Okay. Let's assume that it's correct. I'm not sure. So why we need to declare it here? I would do it in that case. So our task, when all finished in our results. So here will be amount of 0 and putting sum. Wait, task delay. And also we need to, I forgot to initiate our logger. So let's assume we're also using our in isolated core application. So we see like where amount is greater and it's not processed. Oh, after that we need to also save our changes. Yes, after like changing this, doing some changes. Changing our field. So I would say like we also need to save our changes. So I will call the context save changes async. I hope like is it enough for that case? And let's go to our controllers. So there are also dependency injection. I see. So in our HTTP post add payment, if it's null or payment is 0, invalid payments, then payments. No. Oh, here we just want to add just payment and save change. So here I would suggest maybe create another like add new payment. Add new payment, and here let's say we have new payment for that case. And allows us just to db context payments, add payment, then save changes async cancellation token. Add new payment async. So here we just call it payments new payment. Also we need to await it. HTTP GET process. As just following to the RESTful, it's not necessary to add this like route, yes, for that case. So it will be enough just to get all processed items. But here get payments, get processed. Oh, okay. There we will need this one and also as I can see, if we talk about like HTTP GET, yes, usually is like some how to say contract, yes, between our developers. Like if it gets a I mean it's if it get request, so usually it doesn't mean, yes, updating some changes in database side. So here we will need to maybe change this to the post, yeah, because in our get we can do it, but it's anti-pattern, yeah, I would say it's not RESTful. So usually when we sending get a request, it means like just getting some state and not changing it. So here I will just post, I will change to the post, and here we processing and also getting the processed payments. Okay, we just returning okay. For me it should work, and also I'm forgetting like cancellation token here. Cancellation token. So I will need to just copy and pass it. Here also, and get payments. Also, let's say get payments. Yeah, we're just returning our payments. So just link to list sync cancellation token. Wait, our result just return. So it's not necessary to await. Here also we need to send payment DTO usually, because there might be some fields which we will not allow to share some sensitive data. So let's assume like we already created, yes, them. So we like select x to DTO, let's say, and we return our payments. So here also action enumerable summer get payments. So get payments await task, and also we will need to hear our cancellation token. So and if we usually when we fetch some resources, yes, it's not necessary to like slash and route as list, because by default, yes, when we're just getting our resource, it means like we're fetching some kind of collection. So let me see one more time. From body processing. Yeah, so anyway, I think I'm finished.
Okay. Now let's come to question part. Let me find. Sorry. So why you why cancellation token is needed, and what will happen with it, and what will happen if we use, and what will happen if we not use. Exactly that problem which it will solve.
Yes, it's like ability to us to cancel the current request if we like took, yes, a lot of time and might be cancelled by our client. So this is ability to us to cancel it, yes, before proceeding.
Okay, in which cases I can use it, and which cases I cannot use it?
In which case you can't use it? Usually, like before doing some actions, we need to like check is it request aborted or somehow called, yes, some field. Just see if it's like request is aborted, so maybe just through some exceptions or just return, yeah, somehow from our method. So when you can't call it, actually I don't know when you can, where you can't call it.
Okay, makes sense. And so, what kind of patterns was not solved, was followed, and you improved?
You mean like what kind of name of pattern?
Yes.
Oh, actually here like some, I would say not the gap, but actually I read a lot of about these design patterns, but I couldn't remember them, so I don't remember the like names, yes, titles.
Okay. So, will this code is a imagine implementation of the process payment is changed, and way it will be affected?
Process of payment was changed and where it will be affected.
Yes.
Where like you mean we?
So right now you're using process payment async from controller, yeah. And is there anything else that you can improve? How the classes are using, how the methods are calling from the endpoint level?
How we can improve it? You mean like it might? Oh, I see, I see. So let's say in our valid payments it's 1,000, yes, entries, and oh, you do you mean like there might be a lot of payments, and if you will like simulate the payment delay, it will took about 1 second. So there might be like idle time, yeah. Is that question or?
Okay, we can continue. What is a will it be problem if we write tests for this methods? What kind of problems you see?
If we will cover with unit tests?
Yes.
Payment service, covering payment service with unit test. Because definitely it contains some kind of logic, right? And this logic can be covered with unit tests.
You mean like we will need pass it like some delegate?
What do you mean delegate? So imagine that you need to create unit test for this class.
Yeah. I mean like how it was. I not remember like func which take payment and return some integer and like I don't know, simulate payment, let's say, yeah. And also we need to wrap up its to make it a curable expression tree, but I don't remember how. Can I? So let's say, do you mean like we just calling this simulate payment? I mean passing this payment, return like this, or no?
We can try to start writing some unit tests.
So
if you prefer.
no, I mean it allow us to manipulate, yes, this simulate payment. So
But we do not. But it's not a good idea to pass delegate only to create unit test. Right? We
Okay,
should
so
do it in some other manner. We cannot create. We cannot expand API only to support it in unit test. So it should be done in different manner, not with the expanding of contract of this method.
mhm.
How usually in
Usually I know, let's say, yes, this business logic, so I know what should be expected when we pass some data. So I will mock our DB context with some data, and like after processing the payments, I expected like there will be this kind of data.
okay,
I think we can go forward. Igor, please go for.